Hi, I wanted to show you my version of Yuki Soma. I thought maybe you would decide for yourself if it's suitable for him. The clothes I use for Yuki right now is Hanfu. Hanfu from traditional Japanese. And here is my makeup. I hope it's look presentable. I just use my gel makeup and put on some more. I think I found my makeup for the lips. The makeup for Yuki, and I have a lot of fun with my makeup today. I thought I would to do a tryout to see what kind of things I could use for both Yuki and Ciel. I just love Yuki. He's one of my favorite characters. If you wanted to know, um, it's pretty dark outside, and it's probably all my bedtime. I am normally a morning person, but today I wanted to do something special. I want to do some more makeup videos, maybe, and do. If you really would like to see my makeup, I don't know. I don't think I'm very good at it, but I love to try out new things, and thoughts and my thoughts on it is very much as a fun thing to do. So I do like to try out with makeup, and I learned to put on not very good, but I learned to put on some eyelashes. This is my second attempt. My makeup over here is looking so bad, but I've got glue stuck to my eye all over. It would probably go away in the shower, I hope. Uh, but you can still vote this up about maybe 15 hours yet. You can still vote on my Instagram stories about if I should do this in a video, in my first video on my cosplay channel, or if you would like to see my shell version I showed last. I will put both videos when it's up in both. I put both links in the both in both. Well, sorry, I can't speak. I would put both links in both videos and on my Instagram too, so you can see if you want this pretty, pretty amazing male handful, or you will see my newest Shield cosplay in a full video. I'm waiting, just voting. You can find my Instagram on the links in my channel if you would like to support me on Instagram and see all backstage videos and stuff. I do backstage on my group chat. I have a group chat on my Instagram, and I have a community on YouTube too. So you can write to me and we can start a chat if you want to see more of my cosplay things. I don't make any cosplay. I don't. Mm, I buy all my cosplays and clothes and stuff, but I start my weeks mostly alone, or mostly on from time to time when I get some new wigs, and then I do style my cosplays, and I do my own style is different part of cosplays too. So if you want to see my style, I can show you some videos about that. Oh, now got my rambling. Okay, let me know if you would like any kind of videos. You can tell me what you want on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram. and you can write to me, and I will put in the link for my group chat, and you can show your love there. We talk English, all of us, and well, I'm Danish, and some of the people that are Danish, but we talk English. I know there's someone outside Denmark too, so everyone is valid, and everyone have a chance to chat and have a lot of fun. I chat a lot in my channel. I mostly chat a lot on my group chat. So if you want to talk to me and learn more about me and give some ideas on things you want to see on my channel, I will probably make them so you can see, and I will show you my love for the cosplays. And yeah, have a nice evening.